Excessive yawning can be a sign of some serious medical conditions. Hi everybody. Involuntary movement of yawning may allow you to fill your lungs with oxygen, but the latest research says that excessive yawning can be a sign of some serious medical condition. Generally, yawning occurs when you are weary, tired, or due to lack of sleep. However, if you experience excessive yawning for days and weeks, you must visit a hospital for medical checkup. Experts link excessive yawning to heart attack, stroke, or brain tumor. According to homeopathic philosophy, excessive yawning is a sign of hepatitis or some other acute medical disease.